Hey guys, check it out. Check it out. I'm gonna wash my car a little bit. I just got out of the gym. Sometimes this thing scares me because the car feels like it's moving by itself, you see? But it's the machine that's moving. But for some reason or another, the car feels like it's going forward, and I gotta check to make sure I have it in on park. Oh my goodness. Check it out. I was gonna wash the car myself, but it's too hot outside. Jesus Christ, you can't do anything outside anymore. I could imagine though 5-10 years from now, you can't even walk outside. All right, guys. Now enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, take care. Bye bye.